We were solving picture sums from question number 14 of exercise 18b. Number 1 we have done. Look at number 2. Here is a figure given. Is it? Then this is equal to this 30 centimeter. This is equal to this 5 centimeter. Okay. And this is 11 centimeter. Okay. This is 20 centimeter. Okay. Now, just I am drawing this line. This is 11 centimeter it was total. Now, if I have joined this line, then the points are given A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F. So, the area of figure will be, area of the figure is equal to area of rectangle B, C, D, E plus area of this trapezium. I have joined, I have written let join B, E plus area of trapezium A, B, E, F. Now, if we take this is as a rectangle, this was 5, this is 5, so what will be this length? This will be 5. And what will be this length? This will be 6 centimeter and this will be 5 centimeter, though the total is 11 centimeter. So, area of rectangle will be 30 centimeter into 5 centimeter and area of trapezium would be half into height, that is 6 centimeter, sum of parallel side, that is 20 centimeter, and if this one was 30 CD, so BE also would be 30 centimeter. So 2 3s are 6, or it gives you 150 centimeter square plus, or 53 is 150 centimeter square, or this gives you 300 centimeter square. Once again I am telling you, I have joined this BE. Now CD was 30, so for the BDE also would be 30. So the area of this BCDE will be 30 into 5 centimeters because this breadth is 5 centimeter. Now come to the down portion. This parallel side is 20 centimeter. This is 30 centimeter. The total height was 11. If the height of this rectangle is 5, so height of trapezium would be 6. So we got the area of trapezium half into height into sum of parallel side. So we got again 150 centimeter and both are added to find the area of the figure. Write it please. This is 14.2. Then we'll do 14.3. Question number 14.3 now. We have given figure like that. Now all the sides are equal. This is given 10 centimeter. This total length is height is given 22 centimeter. This is given 8 centimeter. Clear? Now A, B, C, D, E, F. Area of the figure would be area of triangle AFB If this is 8 centimeter, this is also 8 centimeter. One side is 8, so both the side it would be 8. This is 8 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter. Now, these sides are equal, so this portion would be 10 centimeter. Now, if it is 10, it is 8, this will be 6. This will be 6. Total is 22. So, if middle is 10, so up and down would be 6, 6. So, area of this triangle plus the area of triangle ECD plus area of rectangle EFBC. What will be the area of this triangle? This is 90 degrees angle, we know. It is forming 90 degrees angle. So what is the area of this triangle? Half into base is 16 centimeter, height is 6 centimeter. Plus again half into 16 centimeter into 6 centimeter. Then the area of rectangle is, what is the area of rectangle? L into B. So 16 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Now see what does it gives you? 8, 48 centimeter square plus 48 centimeter square plus 160 centimeter square. (256 centimeter square would be the area of total figure. You can find the separate areas also, doesn't matter. You can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 areas. I have included, and you will add, then you will get the same thing, 256 centimeter square. So this is for today. If there is a doubt, you can ask me in live class. Tomorrow's live class will be taken on Saturday. Take care, dears. Thank you so much.